So we start out today's video with this very trendy hair transformation. Loving the way that the stylist did the color. Really playing into like that shaggy pixie mullet style that we're seeing trending heavily right now. And I think that the color just accents the cut beautifully. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we're going to be taking a look at a variety of hair transformations, hair trends, options, and ideas that you can play around with this season. So if you've been thinking of shaking up your boring strands and you're in need of some major hair inspiration, you come to the right place. If you do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, please be sure to like today's video, give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So next up, we have a consultation. I've been really digging watching these videos. So she is pretty much looking to get a wolf cut style, which is a very popular hair trend right now. Beautiful curtain bangs in the fronts. I really like this stylist hair too. She's rocking the money piece highlight trend. So there is the final result. Beautiful layered haircut. Nicely done. So then we move on to another hair change. Looks like she's getting more of like a shoulder length cut, mid-length cut. Putting in some face framing curtain bangs. Very pretty. I love the accent of the bangs. Gorgeous. Next up, we see this Pixie Haircut. This is more of like a traditional pixie style. It does have that spiky texture where you can style the hair going upward, or you can wear it off to the side. It really just depends on your own personal preference and taste. So here we have another hair transformation. Looks like the stylist is adding in some bangs. I really like the editing of the video. It's like so unique. And it looks like she's doing more of like baby bangs for this particular look, really kind of playing into that French girl style bob trend. Very nice. Wow, she looks amazing. And then we move on to a Pixie Haircut. Wow, check out this bold red pixie style. Oh, I am loving this. The color is just so vibrant and beautiful. So once again, she can play around with the texture of the hair as well, spike it up, wear it down, wear it to the side. So much versatility. And then we have another pixie cut variation here. So this pixie in particular does feature more of like a classic 90s bowl shape. Alright you guys, so I hope you have enjoyed checking out all these hairstyles with me today. If you did, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.